Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes GLA AMG Sport. Fantastic condition, in the best colour, electric blue with a host of extras. It's literally just arrived, hasn't been valeted yet, so you can see it as it is. Just thought I'd get it marketed. Got a host of extras. As you can see, the paint was absolutely popping anyway. It's got the front park distance control. The wheels are going to be fully, properly refurbished, professionally dipped and stripped, and they'll look a lot better than that. They'll be diamond cut black. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control. This does have a reverse camera as well. Got the full AMG body styling kit, which gives you the better aggressive looking rear diffuser, side spoilers and that as well. So 4MATIC, so it's 4-wheel drive, GLA200d, as you can see. Really is in lovely condition. It's got the electric tailgate, rear boot protector, parcel shelf, carpet mats. Just a peek view what it looks like in the interior. Electric windows and electric mirrors. Just start it up. Starts up perfectly. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Done 68,327 miles. It's got the all-important heated seats, DSR, dynamic select, which is however you want to drive the car really. Sport mode, eco mode. Reverse camera. It's only the shutter speed on the camera, it isn't really flashing like that. Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, the lovely half Alcantara leather with red stitch piping. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.